In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video call. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, you need to find a contact to call to. So I'll tap on that phone icon, or you can use for that contact application, it doesn't matter. Then I will search a person, I will use search bar for that. I'll select that one, tap on that, and on the contact page here, tap on video option. I will select that, and here select what application to use for video call. In my case, it's Telegram, VK, WhatsApp Business, and regular WhatsApp application. I will select WhatsApp. And now WhatsApp application is making a call. I will turn it off, and now you know how to make a video call. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.